right, it's Thursday, New Year's Eve. We've just finished this Universalift 9KAC. This is our 9,000 pound clear floor single point safety release. What a great lift this is, man. Nice rugged design, single point on one side, 12-piece adapter set. And when we build it on the low side, we like to shim them up really good. So you see we cram a bunch of shims underneath there all the way around. So you get a little bit of support, nice suction to the ground with that base. So it's was it New Year's Eve? Jumanji 2020 is almost over. Tomorrow's 2021. I want to wish everybody out there a happy New Year. I hope everybody's all right, everybody's eating good, and hope next year will be better. We'll have all this politics and stuff calm down and crazy viruses and get back to living a quality life and not worrying so much about all these different events all the time. 24/7, right? In our face issues. And just get back to working on cars, having car shows, enjoying ourselves. Probably the last generation now coming up that's gonna like gas-powered automobiles and hot rods, and right, have a few beers, have a couple hot dogs before the end of the world comes here. But so hope you're enjoying yourselves out there. Just give us a shout. If you need a lift, we'll come out, we'll deliver it, or we'll build it for you. And see you soon, everybody.